today's AV over IP environments, everything runs across the network. Video, audio, control signals, all moving through switches and standard Ethernet infrastructure. That's great for flexibility and scalability, but it creates a new challenge. How do you know where devices are actually connected? Which switch and port? Which room? Which wall plate? If you've ever spent time tracing cables or digging through spreadsheets, you know exactly why that's important. And that's where Lldp comes in. Lldp stands for Link Layer Discovery Protocol, and it's an IEEE standard way for devices and network switches to introduce themselves to each other. Visionary encoders and decoders use Lldp to identify both their own connection details as well as information about the switch they're connected to. That means a management platform or control system can see something like decoder cart 1 is connected to switch 3 port 18. By itself, that might not tell you very much. But if your control system knows that switch 3 port 18 corresponds to the south wall of room A, that's where the magic happens. The AV system gains location awareness. Imagine a display cart with a visionary decoder mounted behind it. When it's plugged into room A, the control system knows exactly where it is. Now move that cart to room B and plug it in again. The system can immediately recognize the new location and automatically assign the correct source, audio zone, user interface, or room preset. No manual reconfiguration and no searching for the right endpoint. The same concept can simplify troubleshooting. If a device goes offline, technicians can quickly identify the switch and port where it was last connected instead of physically hunting it down. And if they do need to find it, they know exactly where it is. In a multi-purpose space, location awareness can enable even more advanced automation. Auditoriums, ballrooms, and banquet halls may be configured differently for every event. For a graduation, displays with visionary decoders can be rolled into position beside the stage. When connected to the network, Lldp identifies each decoder's connection point, allowing the control system to automatically route the AV operator's presentation source to the correct displays. This allows the carts to be positioned wherever the event requires, with the correct source routed automatically. No manual decoder identification, source selection, or endpoint reconfiguration required. The important thing to understand is that Lldp isn't making those decisions. It simply provides the location information. The control system and Visionary's API use that information to determine what action should happen next. The result is a smarter AV system that's easier to deploy, to manage, and to support. For more information, check out our white paper on leveraging Lldp in our AV over IP endpoints, and then reach out to us to talk about how we can help simplify and modernize your AV infrastructure here at Visionary Solutions.